Namaste friends, hope you are all doing well. Today we will be talking about how to reduce the crunching sound made by the knees and bones. We will first show you some easy yoga asanas and give some tips after that. So let's start. Okay, so first exercise is Natarajana with wall. Okay. So now first we have to go back and keep 1 feet distance between the wall and the body. Okay, now see what to do. Now both the legs parallel to the wall and then slowly fold your left knee and knees together. Okay, knees together and then slowly stretch as much as you can with breathing. Okay, and then slowly relax your knee, relax your leg with breath out. Okay, now again same with right knee. So left finger touching the wall, fold your both the knees. Okay, and then slowly right knee up with breathing. Keep your hand near the ankle. Okay, and then focus on your left toe and then slowly relax with breathe out and relax one more time. Breathe in and then slowly stretch and slowly relax your knee, relax your leg with breathe out. Now last time with right, knees together, breathe in and then slowly relax with breathe out and relax. You can do this exercise at least 3 times. Okay, so now next exercise is push up with wall. So how to do it? First we have to turn to the wall and stretch your hands and keep your hands on the wall, spread the fingers and hands on your shoulder level. Okay, first breathe in, stretch your shoulders, bend your elbow and then slowly relax with breathe out. Breathe in, neck straight and then relax with out. 5 times without hold. 1, 2, 3, breathe in and breathe out from nose only. 4, 5 and relax and relax. You can do this exercise at least 10 to 20 times. Now next exercise is Virbhadrasana with wall. Okay friends, so first again we have to turn like this and then push right leg in front, stretch your left leg. Now slowly bend your right knee with breathing and then slowly relax with out. Okay, like this. Bend your elbow also with breathing and then relax with out. Okay, don't give too much pressure on your knee. Okay, slowly. So your leg should be at 90 degrees like this. Breathing and out. And you have to focus on your fingers. So we'll do this exercise with right 3 times and with left 3 times. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3 and stay 1, 2, 3, 4 and then slowly relax with breathe out. Now keep your legs together. Now same with left. So left leg at 90 degrees. Stretch your right leg straight. Okay friends? So breathe in and out. 3 times without hold. 1, 2, 3 and stay 1, 2, 3, 4 and then slowly relax your leg and relax and relax. Next is Dandasana, means staff pose. So in this asana, first we have to turn. Okay, yeah, and now we have to keep our legs straight and legs together. Okay, and keep your hands near the hips. Keep your back straight and then slowly breathe in and toes outwards. Tighten your thighs and stay there with breathing and then slowly toes inwards and relax your shoulder with breath out. One more time. Breathe in. Spine straight. Close your eyes and feel the stretch. And then slowly relax with breath out. And relax. See now friends, you can do this exercise also. Hold your left knee and then slowly press it towards your stomach. Right to outwards with breathing. Breathe out and stay and then relax with breathing. Look right and relax. Last time, breathe out and stay and relax. Last time and relax. Now again, start pose, Dandasana. Just stretch. Stretch your shoulders, toes outwards with breathing and then relax with out and relax. Now next is Vayu Mudra. Friends, you can do this mudra in the sitting position or you can sit on the chair or you can keep your leg straight. Okay. So now Vayu Mudra, first finger, bend your first finger, means index finger and touching your thumb over it like this. Okay, like this. Now keep your hands on your shoulder level, on the thighs and then just close the eyes. Breathe in, keep your back straight and then slowly relax with breathe out. Breathe in, think positive, breathe out, feel relaxed. Breathe in, feel relaxed. Breathe out. Feel relaxed. Breathe in. Calm down yourself. Focus on your mind. Breathe out. Feel relaxed. Breathe in. Observe yourself. Observe your heartbeats. Breathe out. Feel relaxed. Last time. Breathe in. And slowly relax with breathe out. And relax. Slowly open your eyes and relax. So now next exercise is Viprit Karni. Okay, so in Viprit Karni, first, this is the best exercise of the asana. So first in this exercise, how to do it? First hips and feet touching the wall. Okay. Now see, keep your left hand at 90 degrees. At that time, hips touching the wall. Now slowly and down with breathe in and slowly keep your legs up. Raise your legs up with breathe in. Now stay there. Okay. Both. This exercise do both. Okay. Now. See friends, if you have back problem, then you can keep the pillow under the hips, and if you have blood pressure problem, then you can keep pillow under the head. Okay. Alright. Now see this is a simple exercise. Just tighten your thighs, tighten your knees, and then stay there. Toes outwards with breathe in. You can keep your hands to your shoulder level or relax your hands also, and then slowly relax with breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Toes outwards. And then slowly toes inwards with breath out. Last time. Breathe in. And then slowly relax with breath out. Okay, and relax. You can do this exercise at least 5 to 10 times. Hello again. We hope you learned something useful from this video. The crunching you hear likely is due to the cartilage in your knee becoming rough, so the bones cannot slide as easily in the joint as they normally do. The knee crackling or popping sounds typically happens when the knee is bent, such as when you are squatting, going up or down stairs, or rising from a chair. Apart from the exercises shown previously, the other remedies you can try are wearing suitable shoes, warming up before exercise and stretching afterwards, and maintaining a healthy body weight to reduce stress on the knees. Stair climbing also benefits the knees indirectly by helping to manage your weight. By walking up steps for just 5 minutes, you can burn about 45 calories. The crunching sounds can also be reduced with home remedies like taking anti-inflammatory medicines or using the RICE method, means rest, ice, compression and elevation. Cracking knees and joints is sometimes caused by vitamin D and calcium deficiency and sometimes dehydration. So, we have to focus on diet too. You can eat oranges, pomegranates, green tea, brown rice, nuts, sprouts, almond, watermelon, spinach, broccoli, milk and plenty of water. Friends, your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts and healthy lifestyle, your life will start to change and heal you. And last but not the least, think positive, be positive and spread the positivity all around you. Friends, if you are looking to yield such benefit of yoga and practice regularly from the comfort and safety of your home, we also recommend joining our online classes. To know more, you can click on the first link in the description below and leave your details and we will get back to you. Also, if you found this video useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribing to the channel is absolutely free and will not cost you anything, but it will help the both of us. And press the bell button to receive notification of our new video, which is again free. Namaste.